this is a war, that they are making a war against the innocent people that are in the camp from more than 40 days. They were claiming that there are weapons all over the camp, and they have entered so easily to the camp, and they killed the men and women and children with a cold blood. And these criminals are making a war against innocent people of Egypt, and we are not going to surrender, and we are not going to stay calm. And there will be demonstrations in all over Egypt today. We will not stay only in Raba and in Nahda. We will stay in all the squares of Egypt, and we are ready to have their weapons on our shelves with our vests, with our heads, and with our hearts. And we will never leave in this lack of freedom, lack of democracy, lack of justifiable system. These criminals should be go to jail. They shall not rule Egypt for any more moment or even minute or day.